Another most concerning or disturbing query that I am often asked is that liposuction causes death, or liposuction is potentially life-threatening. Let me clarify this misconception in a unique way. So here is a tabular form on the left side and on the right side. A liposuction in a patient who is healthy, safe. A liposuction in a patient who is not healthy, very unsafe. A liposuction performed by a plastic surgeon, safe. A liposuction performed by a non-plastic surgeon, very unsafe. A liposuction done for the correct indication, safe. A liposuction done without the correct indication, not at all safe. A liposuction done for body sculpting, safe. A liposuction done on an obese patient for weight loss, not safe. Do you get it? In summary, a liposuction done by a qualified plastic surgeon in a well-equipped center for a correct indication on a correct patient can never be dangerous or fatal.